love is a complex and multifaceted emotion that has been the subject of much discussion and exploration throughout human history. At its core, love is often characterized by feelings of warmth, connection, and attachment to another person, as well as a desire to support and care for that person's well-being. People desire love for many reasons, including the sense of emotional security and validation that it can provide, the sense of fulfillment that comes from nurturing a close relationship with another person, and the deep sense of meaning and purpose that love can bring to one's life. While the experience of love can be intense and sometimes challenging, many people believe that it is ultimately one of the most rewarding and transformative experiences that a person can have.